Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I'm looking a little rough, but that's because today is a cleaning day. This whole video is going to be me getting ready for vacay. We are leaving Friday and I work 2 days this week, and then I could have worked one more day, but that day I just don't like it. Let me know if you can relate, but I don't like working the day that before I'm leaving for vacation, because I usually am a last minute packer. You know, I'm always up to like 3 a.m. regardless. So I need my time. And I also am getting my nails done that day too in a spray tan. So yes, I did not get any sun this summer. So we are just gonna have to keep up with the spray tans. I was outside this summer. I just wear a lot of sunblock, and you know, sunblock's important. So I did get my eyebrows done last week and they are still a little dark, but they will fade. I have to clean out my car, which isn't like really necessary for vacation, but it needs done. Wash my sheets. I like everything to be clean when I come back. You know, I think I want to do all those things so when I come back I feel like, okay, I can just unpack and I'm good. I don't have to really wash anything other than the clothes that I brought. So I like to do that. And then I also have to get some allergy testing done on Thursday, I think, too. So today's just cleaning and just trying to prep for vacation. I need to get snacks at some point. So yeah, let's start. Alright, so we're back from running errands, which is going to Marshall's, cleaning my car out, getting Starbucks, getting Arby's, those things, you know, the priorities, which I realize that my priorities are a little messed up today, and I'm not really doing too much for vacation, because of course, like, yes, the car needed clean, but I didn't need to do it for vacation. But we gotta keep positive. We still need to clean. But I did finally get some things done that I've been wanting to get done for a while. I actually forgot to get a oil change, which I need to do, but it's Labor Day, so I don't even know if people are, you know, open for that. I did get my phone mount in my car finally that I got for Christmas last year. So that'll be nice. Just so I can, you know, be able to look at it and directions and like it not be everywhere, and it'll just be easier, you know what I mean? So let me show you what I got from Marshall's really quick, and then we're gonna get back into cleaning. But first of all, I thought, you know, from my understanding, Mercury retrograde was over. Okay, I know we're still in shadow and it's still being like, bitch, don't forget me. I literally was just telling Michael on the way home that this camera that I have had for, I don't know, maybe 5 years now, is probably on its way out. And then I'm recording and it literally is just dying. The battery was fine. It wasn't even dying, it just was turning off. I don't know what the deal is. This little piece came off the other day, or it came off today, but it's been kind of like peeling off. This part, it just needs a new screw. Like I can you know, make it work, and I've been making it work. I love this camera. This is my very first like really good camera that I got after like the Canon PowerShot that I was using for a really long time. This is my favorite camera to vlog with, and it's the PowerShot G7X Mark II, and I'm really sad if this breaks because this was not a cheap camera. So I'm using my Sony camera right now, which I really like this camera. It's just that I only have one lens for it, which is the Sigma 32, I think. It's the Sigma 16 millimeters, and it's a great lens. It's just, it's so big that it's harder to carry around with you. And granted, I just throw this in my purse. I know I should put like a case on it, but I'm like, I can't get a new camera right now. Anyways, let me show you what I got. So this was a very random purchase, but they are just traveling toothbrushes. It's not traveling toothbrushes, they're just toothbrushes. I like how fat the heads are. So I use a Philips like electric toothbrush. I really like it, but we're about to go on vacation and I don't really like to like tear it apart and bring it with me, and it's been acting up. I might need a new one too, but it comes with a little case, and I like just like, I don't know, I have some that aren't electric, but sometimes I worry that they've been sitting out for so long that there might be bacteria on it. I got a backup of my deep repair mask from Macadamia. This is my tried and true. I've been using this for years. I think that's why my blonde has been so healthy. I just like to have a backup. I use the Batiste Dry shampoo, and I just kind of wanted a smaller bottle because I have the massive ones. This is the volumizing one. I don't really notice a huge difference, but the nozzle's a little different, and yeah, I just thought it would be easier to travel with. Other things were kind of random, but I got a Sun Bum Mango lip balm. I use this Glymed lip balm, which I really like, but it does not have SPF. I know I have so many SPFs, like just regular chapstick, but these are only 15 SPF, where this one's 30, and my lips, you know, do tend to burn, especially we're going to the beach, be closer to the equator. And I don't know about you, but I can't stand a burnt lip. I have the Honey Pot Sensitive Foaming Wash. I do really like this stuff. I use a separate wash for down there just because I am sensitive.
Maddie,
what?
are you packed and ready to go?
No. Not at all.
I am.
I'm sure you are. Sensitive one. I don't like to use stuff with fragrance, or I try not to use stuff with fragrance. I have used this kind before and I like it. It's just a smaller bottle and it has a cap, so I don't know, I just thought that this would be easier to travel with. And I'm so upset because if you guys follow me on TikTok, then you know that I have switched to the menstrual cup, the Diva cup or whatever. I bought the Honey Pot one at Walmart because I was like, it was just a very impulsive purchase. I didn't really want to use tampons when I was going to the pool. It was $30, and they have the brand that I was talking about on TikTok, the Salt brand. It's SAALT at Marshall's for $15. That's the brand I would have liked to purchase. I just didn't want to order it, you know, and wait, but you know. And then I really like the Gurunanda brand. This is Breath Harmonizer. It's just a mouthwash, basically. Thought I would use it, but that's everything I got. Michael got himself like a couple things, and then I finally am going to use this. It's like a fanny pack, but I might use it as like a purse for, I'm not sure. We'll see, but I got to get cleaning. I got to strip this bed because it is getting late and my stuff takes a while to dry, but I just want to share this with you. And I think I'm going to do a Walmart order for tomorrow after work for me to pick up my snacks. So, all right. So as you guys saw, my Cupshe stuff did come in. I didn't end up ordering anything else. I was thinking about maybe overnighting this romper I want from American Eagle, but I just feel like it's just dumb to do, and I've literally been thinking about overnighting it for multiple days, and now it's just getting too close because it's Wednesday. But I did my Walmart order last night. I did pick it up today, and I don't know, I just didn't get the vlog footage, but I don't know how I spent $60, but I did. I got 5 orange Olippops. Y'all know that's my favorite. I got 2 of these Maxine's Heavenly Double Chocolate Chunk Cookies. These are really, really good. I started off eating the peanut butter ones, but I like the chocolate ones the best. I got 2 of the Nature's Bakery gluten-free fig bars and raspberry, because those are the best ones. Got a big bag of these Doritos. These are my favorite, the spicy and sweet chili. I got a big thing of Q-tips because I just needed some. And then I got a deodorant by Native. Yes, this came out to $60. I don't know. I mean, this by itself was like $12. I think the Olippops by themselves were $12. I mean, fortunately, a lot of the gluten-free stuff is like $5 a pop. So, you know, it's just how it goes. But I was low on deodorant, and that's all that I got. Like, snack-wise, I might like pick up some like candy. I like to, you know, have a little sour candy here and there, but I didn't want to overdo it because that's what I do best. And then I got an oil change today, which is good. So I'm gonna have a tank of gas, a clean car, and an oil change when I come back. The house is clean. I do need to just wash some of my work clothes and stuff, so I have them when I come back too. But right now, I think I'm just gonna relax, take a bath, and then I'm gonna start packing. I did eat already. We got some Mexican takeout because, you know, the week of vacation, you always like, well, at least we do. We eat out because we don't like to buy groceries because they're gonna go bad. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then I'm gonna try to pack, and tomorrow is nails, spray tan. I have to go get my allergy testing done. And I think I might want to try to record a podcast. We'll see. I might be being a little too, you know, ambitious there, but I would like to do so. We'll see.